Hello, my name is Björn Ekström and I am excited to discuss how we made use of the result assessment tool in a research project for understanding wind power search queries and search results in the run-up to the Swedish election in 2022. This study was part of the research project Fighting Windmills, tracing mis/disinformation about wind power online, funded by Mistra, the Swedish Foundation for Strategic Environmental Research. So, RAT enabled us to retrieve wind power related search results from Google Search. For each query, we retrieved about 20 ranked results. Variables included queries, query IDs, ranking positions, URLs, domains, and PDF links. We also retrieved search query keyword data concerning wind power, resulting in the gathering of search queries in a set of 3 iterations. Variables included min, max, and mean monthly searches, iterations, searches per month, and competition indexes. Next, for our analysis, we utilized data science software packages for analyzing the data, most notably Tidyverse. Initially, we analyzed the top most prominent search queries in the dataset. The query wind turbine at home, vindkraftverk hemma, has the highest number of average monthly searches. Moreover, the top 10 average monthly searches relate to 4 types of queries: building your own wind turbine efficiency, wind turbine operation, and offshore wind power. So, in other words, many of these queries relate to geographical aspects of wind power, that is, setting up wind turbines at home, wind power initiatives in certain parts of Sweden, both off and on shore. Considering the local focus as depicted in the previous slide, we manually grouped a subset of the retrieved search terms that included place names, for example Vindkraft Gotland and Vindkraft Ripfjället. This provided some insights into which results are obtained for Google searches about wind power with a local focus. Searches that included place names mainly retrieved results from public service, public authorities, and energy companies. News websites and aggregators were also prominent. So this aspect made it possible to make sense of which domains and subsequently also which URLs were prominent when utilizing Google search for seeking information about wind power. The search results and query data were subsequently synthesized with conversation data from X, then Twitter, and Facebook interaction data. As per the left-hand side network graph, the hashtag Vindkraft occurs in tweets together with other hashtags related to energy production, fuel prices, and transport, showing the context of these discussions. It's a smaller hashtag compared to many other topics. In the right-hand side 3D plot, news-related articles as grouped in terms of favorable, general, and unfavorable such are visualized in terms of prevalence of reactions, comments, and shares. The most interacted with news-related articles are unfavorable, some of which are clear outliers in terms of reactions and shares. This meant that we were able to get a broad yet deep understanding of how information concerning wind power are sought using Google search, as well as how wind power is discussed and interacted with through social media platforms. So far, the results of the project have been published as a report, and a journal article is also in the pipeline to be published later this fall. And with that, thank you for listening to this short video. Make sure to reach out in case you have any comments or questions.